Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about direction cosines and direction ratios problem. These type of problems they are asking regularly in JEE Mains 2014 to 16, 20, like this I am observing. Very important concept in DCs and DRs. See that question. The DRs of the two lines are given by the equations a plus b plus c equal to 0 and 2ab plus 2ac minus bc equal to 0. Then the angle between the lines is. So these are the options is given pi, 2 pi by 3, pi by 2 and pi by 3. First given lines we have to write and keep that equation 1 and 2. Given lines in the relations a plus b plus c equal to 0. Keep that equation number 1. From equation 1 and second equation. What is the second equation? 2ab plus 2ac minus bc is equal to 0. How to do these type of problems is, from any one of the lines, make either a, b, c as a subject and substitute in the rest of the equation. So better to take that first equation. From that first equation, I am making a as a subject. So 1 implies that a is equal to minus of b plus c. That means minus b minus c. This a value substitute in the equation 2. A value substitute into, therefore 2b into, in place of a, minus b minus c plus 2c into, in place of a again minus b minus c minus bc equal to 0. So now simplification, minus 2b square minus 2bc minus 2bc minus 2c square minus bc equal to 0. That implies minus 2b square minus 2bc minus 2bc minus bc minus 5ac. We can write as, according to our convenience, minus 4bc minus bc. For factorization convenience I am writing like this. Minus 2c square equal to 0. Throughout multiplying by minus, this equation will becomes 2b square plus 4bc plus bc plus 2c square equal to 0. From first two terms take common 2b. From next two terms common c. That implies 2b if you take common, b plus 2c plus if you take common c, b plus 2c equal to 0. That implies 2b plus c into b plus 2c equal to 0. 2b plus c equal to 0 and b plus 2c equal to 0. So c equal to minus 2b. So here also 2c equal to minus b, c is equal to minus b by 2. So two values of c we are getting. If c equal to minus 2b, what is the value of a you can calculate. And if c equal to minus b by 2, calculate a in terms of b. So here c in terms of b, c in terms of b. Here a in terms of also we are going to get b. So if c equal to minus 2b, then a value calculating. A is equal to minus b minus c. So minus b minus c means minus of minus 2b plus 2b. That implies a is equal to b. So minus b minus c minus b minus c means minus of minus 2b plus 2. This is the first c value, this is the first a value. Next, if c is equal to minus b by 2, then a equal to minus b minus c. Minus c means minus of minus b by 2 plus b by 2. So which implies that a is equal to minus b by 2. After getting these values, direction ratios of the first line which are denoted by a1, b1, c1, which is equal to a1 means first a value, that is b. b1 is not there, so a in terms of b, c in terms of b. So B1 we can write as B. C1 means first C value minus 2B. So here B is the common thing. So dividing by B it will becomes 1 comma 1 comma minus 2. These are the values of A1, B1, C1. Come to the second line direction ratios A2, B2, C2, which is equal to A2 means second A value minus B by 2. B2 means B only. Why? Because C in terms of B, A in terms of B, B2 is B only. Next C2, C means minus B by 2. Whenever like these fractions we are getting, observe very important thing here. In first term and third term we are observing the first coordinate and third coordinate we are having denominators 2. So make second coordinate also denominator as 2, multiplying and dividing by 2 for the middle one. So it will becomes minus B by 2, minus 2B by 2, minus B by 2. So in every denominator 2 to get cancelled and make it as minus B, 2B and minus B. Dividing by B, it will becomes minus 1, 2, minus 1. So these are the values of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Now let angle between 1 and 2 is theta. Let theta be the angle between 1 and 2. Then we have formula cos theta is equal to mod A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by square root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. A1 A2, so 1 into minus 1, B1 B2, 1 into 2, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, divided by square root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square, that means 1 plus 1 plus 4 into 1 plus 4 plus 1, which is equal to mod 4 minus 1 is 3, so 3 divided by root 6 into root 6 is 6, which is equal to 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to cos 60 degrees. So theta is equal to, by comparing this, theta is equal to 60. 60 we can write as in terms of radians, pi by 3. So which is there in the fourth option. So dear students, you remember that these type of problems from DCs and DRs, one question is asking in Jeemains. Thank you for watching my videos. Please do subscribe.